Before we can learn about partial quotients, I'm going to teach you about friendly numbers. A friendly number is a number that can be easily multiplied by another. Let's take a look at some examples. Let's find a friendly number to 4, a number that we can easily multiply by 4 in our head. Let's use 10. We can easily multiply 4 and 10 together in our heads to get 40. Another example of a friendly number to 4 is 100. We can easily multiply 4 by 100 and get 400. Any multiple of 10 or 100 is a friendly number. Let's try 20. I can multiply 4 times 20 in my head and get 80. Or 30. I know that 4 times 3 is 12, so 4 times 30 must be 120. Let's start working on partial quotients. We're going to start with the problem 583 divided by 4. Our first step is to add a vertical line on the right side of our division box. Step number 2, we need to think of a friendly number that can be easily multiplied by 4 to get us close to 583 without going over. I like to start with multiples of 100. So let's try 100. 4 times 100 is 400. That doesn't go over 583. Let's try 200. 4 times 200 is 800. That goes over, so we can't do 200. We're going to stick with 100. Add your friendly number to the right of the vertical line, right under your dividend. Next, we multiply 4 times 100, and we get 400. We add that right under 583, our dividend. Next, we need to subtract 583 minus 400. I think I can do that in my head. We get 183. Now we're going to start the process all over again. We need to find a friendly number that 4 can easily multiply by to get close to 183 without going over. So let's try 20 or 40. 4 times 20 is 80. Okay, so that's under 183. That would work. Can we get closer? 4 times 40 is, let me think. Well, I know 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 times 40 must be 160. We add our friendly number under our first friendly number, just to the right of the vertical line. 4 times 40 is 160, so we add that right under 183. It's time to subtract again. 183 minus 160 equals 23. It's time to start the process all over again. We need to find a friendly number that 4 can multiply by to get us close to 23 without going over. So let's try 5 or 6. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, that will work. Let's see if we can get even closer. 4 times 6 is 24. That's really close, but it goes over, so we can't use 6. We have to stick with 5. We move our 5 just to the right of the vertical line with our other friendly numbers. 4 times 5 is 20, so we add that under 23. Can you guess what we do next? That's right, we subtract. 23 minus 20 is 3. Once we get to a number that's less than our divisor of 4, then we need to stop and we need to move on to the next step, which is adding up all of our friendly numbers to find our answer. So we're going to add 100 plus 40 plus 5. And we get 145. But we're not done yet. What about that 3 down there? That 3 is actually going to become our remainder, so we need to move it up by our answer. And our final answer is 145 remainder 3. We did it! The steps we use are find a friendly number, multiply, subtract, and start over. We do those steps until we get to a number that is less than our divisor. Now it's your turn. Can you divide 789 divided by 6 using partial quotients? Take a second to pause the video to work out your answer. If you got 131 remainder 3, You did it! Good job! Thanks for learning how to divide with partial quotients. See you next time!